How to talk on Fortnite PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to talk on Fortnite PC. First, open the Fortnite game on your PC. In game, select the social menu icon in the upper left corner of the lobby. Now, select the voice chat tab. See the voice chat options section for voice chat related controls. You can then select members of the voice chat channels individually to mute or unmute individuals. Then select voice chat options. Set your preference for who you wish to voice chat with. If you are setting it on everyone, you can hear everyone and also talk to them by using a microphone. On friends and teammates, you can hear friends and teammates and also talk to them. While on friends, you can hear friends and also talk to them. And if you select nobody, Epic Voice Chat is disabled. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.